Want to buy rare Pokemon cards, the best snacks, or the latest street fashion from Japan? But you are not in Japan, don't speak Japanese, or the store won't ship to your country. ZenMarket is the shopping service for you. Find products from over 10,000 Japanese websites and add them to your ZenMarket shopping cart. Then pay for your products and international shipping. We will order the products for you and ship them to your house. What do you need to do? First, let's find a product. Use our handy search bar to enter a keyword. Keywords in Japanese may give better results. Paste a link from any Japanese online shop. Or ask our native language customer service for help. We will notify you as soon as we have confirmed your item's availability. Then, pay for the product. Simply add funds to your ZenMarket account via one of many payment methods. As ZenMarket will first order the products and then ship them to you, you will have to pay 2 times. First, you will pay a deposit fee, depending on your payment method, the item price plus domestic shipping, and a flat 300 yen fee per product. Once you've paid the item price, your products will be sent to our warehouse in Osaka, Japan. When your products have arrived, we will ask you to create a parcel. Our warehouse team will consolidate your products, weigh them, and determine the final cost. Finally, pay for international shipping. Even before ordering, you can use our shipping calculator for an estimate. Pick the shipping method that is best for you. You can prioritize time or price. Finally, wait for the item to arrive at your door. Unbox and enjoy your new products from Japan. ZenMarket, your Japan shopping service. Sign up today and get 300 yen off your first purchase.